Okay, so, um, this is going to be a really tough topic for me to talk about. It's on suicide. Listen, if you ever feel like committing suicide, don't do it. It only puts pain on the people that love you and the people you love. Please. I would be so fucking mad at you if you did. Everyone, anyone who has these thoughts, you mean the world to me. Everyone does. I'm not just saying this for attention. I have suicidal thoughts too. You guys mean the world to me, and I don't even fucking know you. Please, find something you enjoy. Color, draw, paint, walk your damn dog, do video games, play video games, read a book. Anything to take your mind off of the demons in your head. Anything. I know you can do it. You know you can do it. It's your demons that are saying that you can't do it. You guys have no idea how much I believe in all of you. Even if I have 0 subscribers and you're just watching this video, just think positive. It gets better. I'm living proof. Suicide kills the person you doesn't not only kills you, but it kills the person you were. It's not good, guys. Suicides happen almost every 10 seconds in the world. That's not good. I care for each and every one of you. Okay? You guys need to keep fighting. I know you can do it. You want to know who saved my life? Gerard Way. He's taught me that living is not that bad. Life isn't that bad. If you need something to inspire you, think of someone that that went through hell and survived. You guys are still here. That means you're strong. Don't lose your battles, okay? I love all of you. Never forget that. Never, ever, ever, ever forget that. I love all of you.